Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So today I wanted to show you how to fill empty spaces in your bedroom with style and practicality. I hope you find this video helpful or just maybe a little bit inspiring. So enjoy this video and please continue to watch. There you have it, you guys. This is the final result. This is just what I did to kind of get rid of that awkward empty space in my bedroom. I added a clothing rack, which I found at IKEA for $15. I added my favorite clothing pieces. And yes, I think this is a very practical, creative, and chic way to fill those awkward spaces. I found that clothing racks are so cute and practical at the same time. You can add your favorite outfits and reach out to them when you're on a hurry, if you're always late like I am. It looks very pretty and stylish, and it gives any room just a touch of glamour. If you choose to do this, remember that you can personalize it to your own personal style and preference. You can decorate the bottom part however you prefer, with your favorite purses or your favorite shoes or maybe a stack of books, whatever makes you feel happy and shows your personality. I hope you enjoyed this video. Find it inspirational. If you did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos. Bye!